After selecting the Add Card to Strap button, a new window will appear, allowing you to start the tokenization procedure. Attention! The location of the NFC antenna may vary depending on your phone. For Apple phones, the antenna is located in the upper part of the back cover next to the camera. For Android phones, the location of the NFC antenna can vary. However, for most, the antenna is located below the camera line, halfway up the back cover. Please note that the entire tokenization process consists of 4 stages, during which the phone must be in constant contact with the strap. This is so that the app can transmit the data from your card to your strap and store it in the payment chip. In the process described, the application interacts with the NFC antenna contained in your smartphone. As such, we recommend placing the shorter part of the strap containing the buckle on the surface of the table, then placing your phone on top. This way, the antennas in the phone and the strap are as close as possible. Maintaining this position makes it easy to advance through the following 4 steps. Starting the tokenization process begins with the selection of the Start button. After starting the process, make sure that the connection between the devices is properly established. Do this by slowly changing the position of the phone in relation to the strap. When connection is established, the phone will inform you with a single vibration. When you complete the first step of tokenization, leave the devices in constant contact until the process is complete. After the first 3 steps, you'll be asked to confirm the terms of service. This should be done by selecting the I agree option. Do this without interfering with the position of the strap and smartphone. To complete the last stage, leave your devices without moving them. The end of the data recording process will be announced by a written message prompting bank verification. The finalization of this whole procedure is the bank user verification step completed by using the SMS code you received. Just enter the code into the application and press Next. This action completes the entire tokenization process. Congratulations! You have just activated contactless payment in your Invis Pay strap. All that remains is to enjoy the new possibilities.